my favorite color.
We are twins because we love pink. Ne?
No.
Her mother does put on purple, but we love pink. I hate.
I like pink and purple. That's my favorite color.
That's why your mother gave you.
Pink and purple. Yeah, so guys, I like pink and purple. Guys, you're gonna see what I'm about to do. What the?
Someone say, Mia
and Mira. Mira, not Mia.
Somebody said we look ugly, and the boy said we look pretty. Thanks. But the girl said it. I hope you're not copying me, sis.
I'm doing pink.
You're copying me then.
But I'm just...
Oh, I got an idea. Let's have the same makeup.
Yeah.
Because I can't see.
I'm just making the pink for my eye thing here. Because it's gonna look so pretty.
Yeah, sis.
So guys, I'm doing pink. Guys, you gonna see mine because mine is a magic rubber. So guys, you can't see mine now. So
you can see mine, but not now, right? Actually, I'm so busy. Let's move this. I need some space. Can see what I'm doing. Can I see what I'm doing? Give me some space. Okay, I'm gonna have a bigger mirror. Guys, you want to see about some of my mother's song? If I'm not gonna sing. Need a pink. Hi, Mike. Oh.
you guys, I'm gonna see my face. It's gonna look magical.
You don't see my face, it's gonna be pretty.
I'm using purple.